Ducati has officially pulled the covers off the 2026 Panigale V4R, a track-focused superbike boasting up to 239 horsepower and cutting-edge MotoGP derived technology. At its most potent, when fitted with Ducati's specified Shell Advance oil and the optional, track-only Akrapovic titanium exhaust, the V4R produces an astonishing 239 horsepower, with a top speed of 205.4 miles per hour. Even with just the Akrapovic exhaust, it hits 235 horsepower, while the standard road-legal configuration still delivers an impressive 218 horsepower at 15,750 RPM and a top speed of 197.8 miles per hour, meeting Euro 5+ emissions regulations. Powering the new V4R is the latest evolution of Ducati's 998cc V4 engine, a capacity reduction from the standard V4's 1103cc, made to comply with WSBK regulations. It uses an 81mm bore and a shorter 48.4mm stroke, the same internal dimensions as Ducati's MotoGP bike. A redesigned crankshaft, now heavier and counter-rotating, improves both torque delivery and traction, without compromising handling. New lighter pistons, shot-peen conrads, revised exhaust cams, and reworked intake and exhaust systems all contribute to a broader power band, delivering an average 4 horsepower gain across the rev range and a 3% torque increase, peaking at 114.5 Nm at 12,000 RPM, with an even larger 7% boost at lower revs. One of the standout innovations is the introduction of the Ducati Racing Gearbox, a world-first race-style gearbox on a road-legal bike. This system places neutral below first gear, eliminating the risk of accidentally shifting into neutral during aggressive downshifts, particularly useful in first-gear corners. Just like in Ducati's race machines, neutral is electronically locked out during riding and only becomes accessible via a dedicated lever on the right handlebar. The electronic suite has also been upgraded. Ducati has added a new vehicle observer software system that simulates the input of 70 sensors, complementing the already advanced systems like cornering traction control, launch control, wheelie control, engine braking control, and slide control. Riders have access to 4 power modes, 5 customizable riding modes, and cornering ABS enhanced by a new race brake control feature that automatically adds rear brake when using the fronts. Aerodynamically, the 2026 Panigale V4R draws heavily from Ducati's MotoGP program. The fairing now includes distinctive downturn corner side pods, which generate ground effect downforce when the bike is leaned over, without compromising straight-line speed. Larger winglets boost front-end downforce by 6 kilograms at 186 miles per hour, while a redesigned ram air intake adds an extra 1.3 horsepower at speed. This intake has a flexible lower edge that can deform under heavy braking to avoid interference with the front mudguard. Chassis-wise, the bike adopts the new frame architecture first seen on the 2025 Panigale V4, including a double-sided swing arm. This new swing arm is 37% less rigid, 3.27 kilograms lighter, and mounted on a height-adjustable pivot. It works with a fully adjustable Öhlins TTX36 shock and new linkage to fine-tune ride height. At the front, the 43mm Öhlins NPX2530 forks pair with a new Öhlins SD20 steering damper, while braking is handled by Brembo's latest Hyper calipers and 330mm discs. For more serious racers, Ducati offers optional Pro and Pro Plus kits, upgrading the brakes to 338.5mm discs and GP4 calipers. The wet weight without fuel comes in at a lean 186.5 kilograms, and seat height is 855mm. Optional extras abound, including carbon fiber wheels, carbon body parts, and advanced race-style data logging. With its blend of track-bred aerodynamics, mechanical innovation, and brutal performance, the 2026 Ducati Panigale V4R represents the pinnacle of road-legal superbike engineering.